cauliflower a little bit and the broccoli. So that's my warm water. I'm gonna give it about 2 minutes because I want my cauliflower to soften and my broccoli. So you have your salt and your black pepper. Now we're gonna mix my eggs. Before you put your eggs and your vegetable in it, because I'm gonna stuff it in the oven, guys. I'm not gonna cook it on the stove. So you're gonna put the season first. The season, guys. Put some these guys. You can cut them off a little bit for me. I don't want them to be cut up. If you want cut up your ends, it's up to you guys. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just dump this.
Whoa, Mom, that looks good.
So guys, so this is my egg. It looks so beautiful. My egg pizza. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It is so beautiful, guys. So my son going to be the taste tester, right, Aiden?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put it in a plate and Aiden gonna tell me. So guys, once you take it out of the oven, you wanna put it back in the oven for the next 2 minutes to get, you know, to get the top of it very nice and crunchy. All right. Guys, make sure you use a non-stick pan because it's easier for you. Look at that, guys. That is so beautiful. Aiden will be the test tasting. So Aiden, you're gonna taste and let me know how it tastes.
Guys, make this right now for your breakfast because it is really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's nice, Aiden. Thank you. All right, so my Aiden is home today because he's not feeling well. So me and Aiden gonna eat this together, right, Aiden?
Yeah.
All right.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.